Hey guys, welcome back to our whatever number of video this is. So in this video we'll basically talk about all the trips we have been to, and there are some set of questions I'll be asking my special friends.
Tea. No, that is only my.
Where down we go, where down.
Meet my two special people I was talking about in the beginning of the vlog.
I can't show us.
They've come all the way from Bangalore.
That's all for today, folks.
That is burning is something. The fire on the band. You just need actually. Moment.
Best friend dog.
Best food. Scary moment. Looking forward to it. There is Anjali and there is Delsi.
We'll start with the questions then. The question will be a common one, so you guys have to give answers on from your own perspective and all. So total number of places we have been to together.
Total number of places.
Yes.
Together.
Yeah, all three of us.
Starting with Chikmagalur.
Goa.
Chikmagalur. No, after Chikmagalur we went Goa. Goa.
Gokarna. Masuri.
Jaipur. Jaipur we went. Delhi we went.
Okay.
That's all.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad for what? There's only 6 trips that we've done.
No.
Wait. Chikmagalur. Goa. Oh, okay. Chikmagalur, Goa,
Gokarna.
Gokarna, Wayanad. That's it.
Jaipur. Delhi.
Jaipur.
Delhi. Why not?
If we count the times we have traveled together, because all these places were combined, okay, Jaipur and Delhi combined, and was eight places.
8 places in 4 years. Huh?
No. 8 places in. We started in 2017, the first trip.
3 years. 3.5 years.
17, no?
2017 we did that.
Any of the best moment from any trip?
So any places we can tell any places or any moment, right?
Yeah, moments, not places. Places is a separate question. Just talking about the moments.
This moment happened at a place.
That is okay.
The girl them skill out chick.
So for me it was Gokarna, that beach where we were going in the night and taking a stroll in the night. So that was a very
The dog also.
yeah, it was really good. It was really nice. In Goa, when we didn't get a room and we were sleeping in the car for the entire night, even that was a different feeling. I have never slept in the car, scared that telling if somebody comes up or knock on the window or something. So that was a pretty experience.
What about you, Nancy?
My best moment, I can't think of any, but then I think the best trip that we have done is Chikmagalur for me. Like,
Chikmagalur.
yeah, that was the best. The first trip that we have done. The trip was really good. Though we did not do anything.
Any worst experiences you have?
Oh yes.
Worst experience.
Goa, on the way to Goa, it was so scary, fucking scary.
Worst, I don't think we have worst experience, but I have, because we were unplanned and
Scary
unsure about the
experience.
rooms we booked, it become
Scary.
kind of scary for some time.
Where,
but
Goa?
Goa and Chikmagalur also.
Second one is Goa. On the way,
Yeah.
we
That entire
the road,
jungle
The ghat
strip.
section was.
that was
Yeah.
scary.
Okay.
And
And-
then one Goa, we did not get a place to stay again. That moment it was scary.
Yeah, it was scary.
We decided to take the kullad with them.
And somebody lost it.
Any irritating moment which you felt it's just so pissing off and I just need a break from this moment during any of the trips?
I don't have it with us three, so I think it should not talk
Specific to
about
us
anything
three.
else.
I have when we went to Wayanad and when we had that you guys were fighting for that Kerala guys and
yeah.
North Indian guys, but Kerala guys and
yeah.
North Indian guys, but
Remember?
I was there, but you guys took a little personal and started fighting, and I'm sitting there like it's okay and it's okay, but
Of all the places we have been to, which place had the best food?
best food.
Yeah.
Very hard to say because there was no best food as such.
Yeah, that place was nice. Even Jaipur, the breakfast was nice. nice. What we had, that samosa and
Delhi also. Delhi we ate
you
at
remember in the morning?
Ah,
Correct. That was also nice. Yeah.
Move on to the next question.
Okay.
Out of all the trips you have been to, which place will you recommend to? So you have to tell for different people what kind of destination you will recommend out of all the places you have been to. So for couples,
They don't want to go out and they want to chill in the room.
Udaipur.
I will tell Udaipur or maybe Mussoorie also because it's a good.
Mussoorie is.
It can be really cozy and nice. They can sit inside.
Yeah.
best friends.
The novelty.
Friends, I think
All the
everywhere
places.
you
Yeah.
go, it depends on your vibe where you go and with whom you go. So it's fine.
Okay. Any family members if they are
Why
going?
not?
Why not?
Why not?
That is so.
Bachelors.
And
Bachelors.
Jaipur also.
I don't know.
Bachelors can travel like best friends, like anywhere.
And if somebody is going through breakup, where will you ask them to?
They should definitely go to Mussoorie and then feel more depressed.
I think they should go to Goa. They should go to Gokarna, sit on that beach in the night, and they'll be like, it might, the ocean
Trigger.
might take all the bad feelings.
It may trigger that, yeah, come, baby, come.
It's time for it. Then I think Gokarna beach will help you out to go
And
on.
I think Goa's vibe will also take.
Yeah, correct.
And any hippies, like people who like to party and all.
何これ何これ何これ何これ何猫これ何これ何これ何これ何これ何これ何猫
Any funny moment from any of the trips you remember?
It's been funny, but I think, dude, when she was taking the vlog, and the other,
The ultimate tea.
that's the thing I remember when you.
तो धनौल टी में अब हम थोड़ी सी टी पियेंगे विद मैगी. आई नो बहुत बुरा था बट ठीक है.
अब बेटा मौज कर दी.
It was really funny, but very innovative for a vlog. It was so lame. But I think that every time we go for a trip, whatever we do throughout the trip and all the videos we take, it's all every time it's funny. only.
I don't know, not funny, but then we find
We
it
enjoy
so,
it,
yeah.
yeah.
Close to our heart.
It
Oh my
does.
god, I feel like I'm giving some couple interview. What do you think? Close to our heart.
With this,
I am not that person.
with this we come to an end.